and I'm going to teach you about debounce. So let's start. So let's insert a script in the server script service. So yeah, so to start with a debounce, you have to get a variable. So local debounce, debounce is equal to false. So you can name this whatever you want, ever since it's just a variable, but you always have to put it as false. I will explain later on why. So let's just do a simple touch event. So if you haven't, make sure to insert a part. That's very important. Not very important, but you know, it's important for the video. So game.workspace part dot touched connect function right here. Oh, okay. So let's just get the humanoid real quick. Local humanoid. Humanoid root part. Alright, so let's start making this debounce. So I'm gonna do like the simpler way. The simple way is not the best way, but it's a tutorial, so you know, simple is always better. Not always, but hey, it is what it is. So if not debounce, then. So you might be confused. What does this mean? If not debounce, then. So this is basically checking if the debounce is false. If the debounce is false, then it will run whatever code that's in here. So that's what if not means. If this variable is this is checking if the variable is false. If the variable is false, then it will run this code. So so let's put the debounce equals to true. This will make it so it won't run over the code again before even starts. Like it'll just kind of be in an infinite loop. I didn't really test it, so I will basically be wrong. So alright, so let's just put what function you want it to do. So put whatever you want. So let's do let's just destroy the part. So game.workspace but part destroy. Alright, this will destroy the part. No, let's just do a print statement because it'll be easier to demonstrate. So let's say hello mommy. Alright. Alright, it will print hello mommy. Alright, and then let's do task.wait. If you're confused about task.wait, it's still just a wait statement, just better, you know. Alright, and then you put debounce to false. This will make it that you can run this code again if the player ever touches this part. Because if you don't put this part, this will never run if you just only keep it to true. So that's why this false is important. Alright, I will recap this later. So let's test it. It will only yeah. Oh, okay. Don't care. Alright, so let's do if humanoid, then okay, I'm doing Control X or Command X if you're on Mac. That'll just remove it and copy and paste in there. Okay, so if that doesn't work, I'll just remove the humanoid thingy. Alright, So I walk over this part, say hello mommy, but I'm still walking over it. And then it was waiting for 5 seconds and boom. It says it 2 times right here. Then say another time. Yep, right there. It works. I'm gonna show you without the debounce. So I'm just gonna control that. No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Show you without the debounce. Sorry, it's my first tutorial, so I'm not used to it. Hi. It will keep running and running and running. See? Yep. Just keeps running the function over and over again, and no one likes that. I'm gonna type ew. Ew. So that's why debounce is useful. But I'm gonna recap. Oh, what? Don't know what's happening here. Okay. This is the most organized I can get it. I'm too lazy. Alright. So, you have to set. So this variable right here is equal to false. This line of code right here is checking if the variable is false, and then it will run this if statement. Putting this, now you're setting this variable to true, so this if statement doesn't have to run. Setting this variable for true, putting this variable to true for 5 seconds. All right, and then this is the event. This happens at the same time. This, and then wait is waiting for 5 seconds, setting the variable to false, and then it can run again because the if statement is still checking if it's false for this event. So yeah, that's basically the tutorial. If you have any questions, say it in the comment section. And it's my first tutorial, so probably like very unclear, but yeah, bye bye. Oh.